From Jira ticket to release PCB in Altium Develop, there is a common gap in a modern hardware team. The requirement is tracked, the issue is logged, and the board gets released. But the path connecting those three things is weak or completely missing. That means everyone feels busy, yet proving progress remains surprisingly hard. In this video, the goal is to show a cleaner path from a Jira style ticket to a released PCP in Altium Develop. This is not just about integration for convenience, it is about building a visible chain from intention to implementation. Many organizations use an issue tracker because the broader company runs on it, but hardware often becomes an awkward guest in that system. A ticket may describe a power issue, a safety requirement, or a requested change, but once the design work starts, the real progress happens somewhere else. Engineers might update the ticket with short notes, but the deep context lives in design tools, side conversations, and review documents. By the time the project reaches release, it is difficult to prove exactly how that original requirement was implemented. Teams end up relying on trust screenshots or extra documentation work to bridge the gap. This is especially painful when the requirement is high impact, customer visible, or tied to compliance. Altium Develop helps close that gap by keeping linked work visible across the hardware lifecycle. The external issue can still exist in Jira or another tracker, but the hardware activity around it can be tied into the develop workspace. That means the requirement is no longer just text in a ticket, it becomes associated with design changes, review threads, related discussions, and eventually the release package. As engineers work, they can connect the evolving hardware context back to the original request. When the board is ready, the release does not appear as a disconnected milestone. It sits at the end of a visible chain that shows what changed, what was discussed, and how the team got there. This is incredibly useful for programs that need accountability because it reduces the distance between the business facing request and the engineering facing evidence. Architects and managers gain a more trustworthy picture of progress because they can see how tracked requirements map to real hardware outcomes. Engineers benefit too because they spend less time writing duplicate summaries just to explain what was already done. Quality, compliance, or customer facing teams can answer questions faster because the path from ticket to release is not hidden across multiple systems. It makes the organization look and function more like one coordinated product team rather than a chain of isolated handoffs. A practical way to start is with one requirement that matters enough to expose the weakness of your current process. Link that requirement into an Altium Develop workspace and deliberately track the design, review, and release context around it. Even one successful example can show the team what an end to end traceable hardware flow should feel like.